and Megan's wedding ceremony. The reception is going to be at the Coxhall Gardens Pavilion. I'm providing the microphones and amplification for the musicians, because without amplification, they wouldn't be heard too clearly. So I've got a speaker over here, kind of hidden. And a second speaker right here. Verse 8. We've got the quartet. Had to find some shade for it. Then my setup. It's right here. So I've got 4 microphones available, 2 handheld and 2 lab. Using the QSC TouchMix 8 mixer and Sennheiser EDWD microphones. Sounding good?
2 people choosing one another day after day, not because life is always easy, but because they know together they can fly higher than they could alone. That's the image of marriage at its best. Rising above the challenges, always together, always higher.
The love that they found today, and I'm forever grateful for that. Now, like I said, we were roommates, and little did I know that I was getting kicked out of the house so she could move in. So not sure how I got that into the stick, but I'm super happy for him, and I shared a lot of kind words with him last night, but Meg, you really bring out the best in Logan and turn him into the wonderful young man.
Outside of that moment, the other moment I have is that we're perfect for each other, because even though man X and Taylor fan, I still rock that shit with you. Sing Taylor Swift karaoke till 4 in the morning when all we were doing was just drinking water, eating fruit, and I lost.
Here is the quartet with no amplification. Just so you could see the difference.